Hi everyone and welcome back. Here are my amazingly delicious turkey breasts that we had for Thanksgiving dinner last week. The reason for that was because my son was here from Philadelphia and I had the whole family together, me and the 4 children, and it was a wonderful, wonderful day. So I will have down below in the description the full recipe for these amazing turkey breasts that come out just, amazing, delicious, not dry, not too moist either, just like perfect. Okay, so check out the description below for the full recipe. And here are the final results. Here it is, checking in. And that mojo goes over the white rice with the yuca, the cassava, and it's just so good. I will have a video for the cassava as well coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for my subscribers. Thank you.